14 Stylish DIY Bench Plans. Bring your entryway to life with this DIY bench plan. It builds a modern and rustic bench made out of rough-cut maple and acts as a place to sit as well as a decorative shelf for plants. You can elevate a basic bench by adding a tufted cushion to it. This project has you build a simple bench frame from common boards and chair legs and then add a tufted foam cushion on the top. It would look great at the dining room table or at the foot of a bed. This bench sits very low to the ground, giving it a modern and comfortable feel. You could use it as seating, but it really shines when being used as an elevated area for plants, books, pillows, or any other decorative item. This unique DIY bench plan uses a salvaged barn beam. It's built as a floating bench, making it the perfect fit for a mudroom or entryway. This low-profile modern bench shows off a live-edge cedar slab and metal hairpin legs. It's used here as a piano bench, but it would work great in any small space area. This bench plan takes you from start to finish for building a bench that's made to be used outside in all sorts of weather. The X legs that are used give it instant style and will make it a great addition to your patio furniture. This DIY bench is inspired by one from West Elm. By making it yourself, you can save hundreds of dollars. The finished DIY project only costs $15 in materials. Here's a basic bench frame that has a woven top made of jute and cotton cording. Along with the natural wood, it really adds a modern and casual feel to any room it's in. If you're looking for an easy-to-build bench that makes a statement, this is the perfect DIY project for you. Plywood is simply covered with foam batting and then wrapped with a small area rug. The whole thing is held up with some mid-century modern hairpin legs. Here's another bench that has a woven top, but this one uses camel-colored leather strips. It uses a pre-built bench, similar to one that you'd find at IKEA, so most of the work is already done for you. Just two 2x4 boards are used to build this classic farmhouse-style bench. It costs less than $20 to build and comes together very quickly. This is the perfect choice for a first-time woodworker. This DIY bench plan builds a modern 2x4 bench that can be built in a single afternoon. This bench would look great anywhere in your home, but it's also solid enough to keep outside, all year round. It would make a great addition to any outdoor seating that you already have. This unique bench is inspired by mid-century design and showcases some unique triangle-shaped legs. It's a smaller bench and uses just 2x2s and 1x3s. Just because it's small doesn't mean this bench isn't a showstopper. Here's another plan for a bench that has a farmhouse style to it. In addition to the building instructions, you'll also find finishing directions for how to paint and distress the bench. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.